Hi, good
Hi,
afternoon. My name
I
is
can't
Apple,
hear
and
you.
can you hear me? Oh, let me just
Yes, yes. Now I can hear you. Hi,
That's great. And hi, good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Again, my name is Apple, and I'll be your tutor for today. How do you want me to call you?
You can call me Upasana.
Upasna. Am I
Yes,
correct?
yes, Upasana.
Yeah, very nice to meet you, Upasna.
Nice to meet you. So this is the sign to shake hands over there.
Yeah. Again? Yes. And by the way, how are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. You're welcome to Ingu.
Thank you so much.
Before we continue, let me just check a few things. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
That's great then. How about my video? Can you see me clearly?
Yes, yes, I can see you clearly.
That's good. If there's any problem during our lesson, just tell me anytime so we can fix it. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay. And since this is our first lesson together, right? Let's get to know each other better
Yes.
first. Okay, again, my name is Apple. I am 26 years old and come from the city of General Santos, which is located in the southernmost island of the Philippines.
Okay.
I graduated with Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, and now I'm an online tutor. In my spare time, I enjoy watching movies or TV series, K-dramas, and I also love to travel, especially going to the beach. But that is I can't do nowadays because of the pandemic. So that's all. Thank you for listening. What about you?
Okay. So my name is Upasana. I'm from India. Basically, I'm from a place Gwalior in India. It's in Madhya Pradesh, and I'm a content writer. And I have also taught some students. I have been a English trainer, and in my spare time, I like to listen to music. Sometimes I like to write poetries, and that's all about me.
Wow, write poetries. So far, how many poems have you written?
So I usually write poems in Hindi, but it's been a long time, around 3 to 4 months. I haven't written any poetry.
I understand. And yeah, it's nice to know that we have something in common. I also like listening to music, but what kind of music do you like to listen to?
Sometimes English songs, but usually songs in my native language. It's in Hindi.
Oh, okay, I see. Well, thank you so much for sharing, Pasna. And of course, thank you for your very nice introduction. Now, I would just like to ask, would you like to have a free conversation this afternoon? Oh, by the way, what time is it now in India?
It's 12:34 p.m. And
Okay,
what
good
time it
afternoon
is
again.
over there?
It's already 3 in the afternoon.
Okay.
Yes. And well, would you like to use a material this afternoon or just
No,
a free
no, I just
conversation?
want to have a free conversation today.
Okay. So yeah, since this is a free conversation, is it fine to talk about anything or do you want to talk about a specific topic
Yeah,
this afternoon?
I have decided to talk about two specific things. Like since it was our festival Diwali here in India, so I just wanted to know that how do you what are festivals over there in your place and how do you celebrate it?
Actually, as I have mentioned, I'm living in General Santos City. Our city is known to be the tuna capital of the Philippines.
Okay.
So it's called tuna capital because we mainly produce tuna, fish, yes,
Okay.
and but it's actually just a small city. So since this is the tuna capital, we have our tuna festival.
Tuna.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's called yes, tuna festival.
So is there any
Yeah.
reason why do you celebrate this festival?
Yes, the main reason is yes, because our city is known to be the tuna capital. We mainly produce tuna fish, pasna, and during this festival, it's actually celebrated every September.
Okay.
And during this month, we we just have some activities, competitions, different competitions, various competitions, like maybe sports, mm, not academic,
Okay.
yes.
So do you
Um,
often celebrate your festivals with your family members or with your friends?
but actually, this local festival, we do celebrate. Like, for example, maybe attend the event, go to the park and celebrate them because we do have some programs
Okay.
during this, yeah, during this time. However, it's not like a very, I mean, we do not celebrate it. I mean, with the family, like, prepare food, unlike other festivals. Yeah, so just like a normal day. However, it's more special than any other day
Okay.
because there, yes. Yeah, that's it.
So everyone
We
celebrates
just
this festival over there or just few?
maybe a lot of people go to the park and watch the events.
Okay.
Yes. Or, yeah, because at this time, like there is in the park there is like many food stalls, so people or family can eat there together,
Okay.
and there is a carnival. Yeah, and you can watch different events like street dancing or modern dance competitions, singing competitions like that
Okay.
from different places.
So is this the only
Yeah.
festival you guys celebrate over there or is there any other festival as well?
There is also a local festival here. We call it I forgot the name of the festival, but yes, it is it's like I forgot the name of the festival.
Sometimes it
But
happens.
like yeah, sometimes it happens, I agree. But yeah, I think that's all in our city. Yes,
Okay.
that's it. And how about there? Do you celebrate any festivals
Yeah, we
in
celebrate. There are
your
so many festivals in India. So recently we have celebrated Diwali. So this is a major festival here in India. So we celebrate in a
Diwali?
very different way as you told about your festival. So here we decorate our home and we start cleaning our home before 15 days of that festival is around to come. And so many things are there. We prepare different kind of sweets and earlier we used to burn a lot of crackers, but these days pollution is very high. So we are avoiding to burn crackers. So this is how we celebrate, and
Yes.
this is the most important festival here in India. So whatever the festivals we celebrate here, there is a particular reason behind it. So is there any
Mm,
reason why do you celebrate the festival, like Tuna festival?
Mm, like the reason is that yes, as I've mentioned a while ago, it is because our city is known to be the tuna capital of the Philippines.
Okay,
Like any other city, some cities are famous to have this maybe a product. Yeah, like for example, like the milkfish. There
okay,
is a city in the Philippines where they produce mainly milkfish as well. So they also have a milkfish festival.
okay. Milkfish.
Yes. Yeah, yeah. So that's it. That is why. And yeah, I now I remember the other festival that we celebrate. We call it Kalilangan Festival.
Kali
But
Lagan.
just like yeah, Kalilangan Festival. But just like this tuna festival, Pasna, just like a normal day. And we just go to the park, watch the events, maybe with families or with friends. But we don't, prepare at home
Okay.
or yeah, prepare something special. Yes, like that. Also, but in your case, in Diwali, right?
Diwali, yeah.
Yeah, Diwali festival. Why do you celebrate this kind of festival?
So I have heard that this day our Lord Ram, he came from the
Mm,
what do we call it? Oh, the word is not coming in my mind. So he came back to his
mm,
hometown, birthplace after 14 years.
okay.
So
Ah,
yeah, so when he
okay.
returned to his home after 14 years,
Mhm.
so everyone lightened the diyas. So from
I
that
see.
moment, we started celebrating the Diwali, and on the occasion of Diwali, we also lighten our house, we clean our house, and we light the diyas. So this is how we celebrate it.
Okay, you're just going to light. You're going to light.
Light, you can we can call it candles as well. So it's quite similar
Okay.
to that. But India, we put some oil and a word is not coming in my mind right now.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, it happens. But do you do some like maybe rituals
Sorry?
or some ceremonies? Ceremonies.
No, no, we just celebrate at our home. We organize a worship. So whole family does
Mhm.
worship together, and uh, after that we distribute sweets to our neighbors. We light the candles and diyas at our home. So this is how, and as I told you earlier, we used to burst a lot of crackers, but these days pollution is increasing, so we are avoiding to burst the crackers.
Okay. Now, why is it important among all of you?
Because this is a major festival. That day, our Lord Rama returned back to his home after
Mhm.
14 years.
That's why. And people are celebrating it every year, of course.
Yes.
I see. Okay. And are there other festivals you celebrate in India?
There are so many festivals. There is a festival called Raksha Bandhan. So on this occasion of Raksha Bandhan, the sister ties Rakhi on the hand of brother.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how we celebrate.
Okay. Mhm.
Yes.
And what do you do during this festival?
Sorry.
What do you do during this festival?
On this festival, this sister ties Rakhi on the hand of her brother. So this is the festival
Okay.
of brother and sister.
Brother and sister. Do you also like maybe give some gifts? Gift
Yeah.
giving?
Yes. 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 Brother gives the gift to the sister.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
I see. So this is part of the Indian culture.
Yes. It's about Indian culture.
Mm, okay, understand. And yeah, can you share more about Indian culture, Tasna?
Yeah, there are some other festivals as well. One more festival is there, Holi. We call it Holi. So on Holi,
Fully, okay.
yes. So on this day we play with the different colors. In Hindi we call it gulal, and different kind of colors are there. So we go to meet our
Mhm.
neighbors and we apply color on their face. So this is how we celebrate. And on Diwali we cook a very special dish that is called gujia
Okay.
in India.
Good. Ah, I heard that Indians like spicy foods, right?
Yeah, spicy food. Depending on the people,
Oh,
some people like sweets
okay.
and some like spicy food.
I see, I understand. But in your case, what do you like then?
I like spicy food.
A spicy food. It's
Yes,
okay. I understand. So part of one culture of Indian is eating spicy foods, right? Yes, of course the festivals that you have
yes.
mentioned, the Diwali festival, and what else?
So I think festivals are the most important part, and that's the thing. Tell me about
Yes, it
your place
is.
as well, like how you spend your day over there, and
Ah,
how's the life
I
over there?
usually the life here is very hot.
Why
Yeah.
it is hard?
Yes, I think our city is the hottest city in the Philippines. Yeah, and but at this time of pandemic, our city, we do have like lockdown. So
Okay.
we have lockdowns every Sunday. Every Sunday it's a no movement day, so we cannot go out every Sunday. Yeah. And since it's risky to go out because of the cases of COVID-19 increasing, I just prefer to stay home and teach in Engoo
Okay.
the whole day. So normally I do have 20 classes a day
Wow.
in Engoo. Yeah, with different students, of course. So yeah, because I thought that if I would teach and just stay home, do nothing, it would be very boring for me. Yeah, and I would be just stressed, thinking of the cases of COVID-19.
It
So yeah, we
happens.
just prefer to have lessons in English.
So, are
Yeah,
you a
so that's
person who
my.
likes to travel or who likes to stay indoors?
I like outdoor activities actually. Yeah, but at this time I couldn't enjoy them. I am really keen on mountain climbing.
Wow. So, have you ever
Yeah,
done that?
no, actually, that is why I really wanted to try that. And last April, I was planning to climb the highest mountain here in the
Okay.
Philippines. But unfortunately, at the time, it started the virus already started to spread. So postponed. My plan was postponed, and yeah, that's it. It's really hard, a hard time among us, to do the things that we used to do before because our actions are limited, right? How about you, Pasna? How are you enjoying these days at home?
So same thing is going here as well. So cases are increasing every day, and we don't feel that comfortable going outside. So most of the time we spend at our home. So sometimes I read novels, and this is how I spend my day.
Mhm. Have you been much affected by the spread of
Yes,
coronavirus?
yes, yes. Because I'm also a kind of person who doesn't like to stay at home all the time. But I learned to stay at home after this coronavirus thing. So, as you
Oh,
told that you like
okay.
mountain climbing, I also like mountains very
Mm.
much. So, there are some places,
Ah.
yes. So, there are some places in India like Uttarakhand, and so many places are there. So, I also like to go to mountains and see them, spend some time over there. And I always plan to go on solo trips. So, I was supposed to go this year, but due to this pandemic, I couldn't go. So, I really regret about it.